What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Cheddar Flow. Cheddar Flow is a cutting-edge platform that empowers retail traders to stay ahead of the market by providing real-time insights into institutional order flow, helping them identify high-probability trading opportunities and make informed decisions. With its advanced AI-driven systems and customizable filtering options, Cheddar Flow is the ultimate tool for traders seeking to maximize their returns in the options market. Now, let's talk about some of its features and benefits. Unusual Options Flow Scanner. Cheddar Flow's Unusual Options Flow Scanner is a powerful tool that helps retail traders stay ahead of the market by providing real-time insights into institutional order flow. This feature monitors uncommon trading activities in options by large institutions and firms, providing detailed information such as the timing of the trades, offered and requested prices, industry of the companies involved, and the size of stocks being bought and sold. By tracking unusual options activity, users can gain insights into the latest moves of smart money traders and hedge funds, allowing them to follow the smart money and identify potential trading opportunities. This feature is particularly useful for traders who want to stay informed about market developments and make informed decisions based on institutional trading strategies. Dark Pool Data. Cheddar Flow's Dark Pool Data feature provides access to real-time data on the largest trades happening in the dark pools, private trading platforms where traders are made anonymously. This feature also shows how stock prices interact with key resistance levels, which can affect the total volume of stocks traded within a specific time frame. Exploring hidden markets and private deals gives users a better understanding of underlying market sentiments and institutional trading strategies, which can be crucial for making informed trading decisions. By analyzing dark pool data, traders can gain valuable insights into the market's underlying dynamics and make more informed decisions about their trades. AI Power Alerts. Cheddar Flow's AI Power Alerts are a game changer for traders who want to stay informed about crucial market developments. The platform's AI-driven system consistently scans the market for unusual options order flow activity, detecting large, influential orders. When a potential trade opportunity emerges, the system triggers a power alert providing important details about its impact on stock volume, premium changes, and updated market price. AI Power Alerts help users stay informed about market movers and give them a competitive edge in their decision-making process. By leveraging these alerts, traders can capitalize on market opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. Pricing Plans. Cheddar Flow offers two primary plans designed to cater to traders of various experience levels and budgets. The standard plan is ideal for beginners and casual traders, offering real-time options order flow, unusual activity scanner, and AI power alerts for $85 a month. The professional plan is geared towards more advanced traders, providing all features of the standard plan, plus dark pool data, custom watch lists, and alerts for $99 a month or $75 per month with annual billing. By choosing the right plan, traders can access the tools they need to succeed in the options market without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Cheddar Flow provides real-time data on dark pool trading, which can be beneficial for traders. However, the lack of transparency in these private exchanges can lead to potential conflicts of interest and disadvantages for retail traders. This lack of transparency can make it difficult for retail traders to make informed decisions and may result in them executing trades at off-market prices. Cheddar Flow does not offer refunds under any circumstances. This policy can be a drawback for traders who are not satisfied with the platform's features or performance. While this policy encourages users to make thoughtful and confident decisions from the start, it can also be a significant financial risk for traders who are not sure about the platform's effectiveness. Cheddar Flow, like any other platform, is susceptible to technical issues and downtime. If the platform experiences technical difficulties or downtime, traders may miss important market updates and opportunities. This can be particularly problematic for traders who rely on the platform for real-time market data and insights. Cheddar Flow is a game-changing platform that empowers retail traders to level the playing field and compete with institutional investors. By providing real-time insights into unusual options activity and dark pool data, Cheddar Flow gives traders the tools they need to make informed decisions and potentially increase their trading profits. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.